This is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow access photos in Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram has become a go-to platform for sharing life moments with friends, family, and a global audience. In order to share your photos on Instagram, you should allow Instagram to access your device photos library. So, how to do it, how to allow Instagram to access your photos and your videos? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. I will show you my Instagram. It's still need. I have to allow access to my photos and video to share photos and video on my Instagram. So you can tap on your profile. Sorry. You can tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines over here on the upper right corner. You can scroll down. You will see on your apps and media, there is an option device permissions. You can tap on that, device permissions. There is an option photos and videos. You can tap on that. It's not allowed. So Instagram is not allowed to access these device photos or videos. You can choose, tap on update device settings, open device settings. Now, you can tap on app permissions, manage permission related to location, storage, phone messages, and contacts. You can tap on that, app permissions. Now you can tap on photos and videos. Now you can choose always allow all. You can go back, and now your photos and video has been allowed to your Instagram. You can go back. Now your photos and videos allowed. Let's see. Now you can see. I will refresh like this. So you can access your photos and videos on Instagram like this. So that is how to allow photos and videos to your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!